from the town of Nazareth in Galilee to register at the city of David called Bethlehem, because he was of the house of David by descent. And with him went Mary, who was betrothed to him. She was expecting a child, and while they were there, the time came for her to be born, baby to be born. She gave birth to a son, her firstborn. She wrapped him in her swaddling clothes and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them to lodge in a house. Now in this same district there were shepherds out in the fields, keeping watch through the night over their flock, when suddenly there stood before them an angel of the Lord, and the splendor of the Lord shone around them. They were terror-stricken, but the angel said, "Do not be afraid. I have good news for you. There is great joy coming to the whole people. Today in the city of David a deliverer has been born to you, the Messiah, the Lord. And this is your sign. You will find a baby lying wrapped in his swaddling clothes in a manger." All at once there was with the angels a great company of the heavenly host singing the praises of God. "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth is peace for men on whom his favor rests." After the angels had left them and gone into heaven, the shepherds said to one another, "Come, we must go straight to Bethlehem and see this thing that has happened, which the Lord has made known to us." So they went with all speed and found their way to Mary and Joseph, and the baby was lying in the manger. When they saw him, they recounted what they had been told about this child. And all who heard were astonished at what the shepherds said. But Mary treasured up all these things and pondered over them. Meanwhile the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for what they had heard and seen. It all had happened as they had been told.